Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I am beyond excited about these Koofizo cabinet pulls in oil rubbed bronze. They have taken my simple white cabinets and brought them to the next level. They make them look so upscale and rich looking, and they add so much to the look of our kitchen. When my husband saw them after I installed them, he was so impressed with how well they went with the kitchen and how much nicer it looked with just a simple change. They were so easy to install. They came with two different sized sets of screws depending on what you need. These are 5-inch pulls, and I needed the smaller screw in my cabinet. They're also very substantial feeling and looking. They're made of a zinc alloy, which makes them very strong, very durable. They feel nice in the hand. They're smooth. They are very secure in the cabinet, and they're just wonderful to use. We are just so impressed with the quality and the look and how easy it was to install these Koofizo cabinet pulls in oil rubbed bronze. What an incredible upgrade to our simple white cabinets. We are so pleased, and that's our point of view.